So I figured I'd show you guys my shooting setup. You can probably hear that loud ass truck outside. Okay, let's start over. Hey y'all, hey, it's Miko and this is On The Go with Miko. So I figured I'd come to you guys. I've been doing YouTube for about, I don't know, 9 months now. I'm not as consistent as I would like to be, but I have been slowly but surely getting my studio kind of set up together. And so I figured I'd share it with you guys. When I was thinking about starting YouTube, I've watched tons and tons of videos of how different YouTubers set up their shooting space. And so I wanted to share mine with you. So we did recently move, and so my shooting space is in the guest room. So it's the guest room slash shooting space slash studio slash whatever. So yeah, I have a ring light, 3 shadow boxes, 2, 1 in each corner, the ring light in the middle, and then I also have 1 above. I have my camera, which I'm shooting with a Canon T7i. I did do an unboxing about the Canon because I did start off with my iPhone 7 Plus. So if you have not seen that video already and want to check it out, I will link it in the iCard above. And I'm also using the Rode mic on top of the camera. What else? White balance card. I'm using the kit lens for now. So anyway, let me show you my setup. Okay y'all, so my studio is in the guest rooms. As you walk into the room, over here against the wall, you will see my lighting. So I have 2 shadow boxes with my ring light in the middle, and then I have a 3rd shadow box, an overhead, I don't know what they call these things, but I have one that sits over top of my head to get rid of any shadows that way. So I also wanted to show y'all, look, this is the boom light, that's what it's called. It's the boom light. So you have to weigh it down. I don't have the weights yet, but I'm gonna buy some. I'll link the Amazon link, the ones that I've purchased, in the description box below. So right now I just have water bottles. So ghetto. Water bottles, so I got 2 on each side. And the cool thing is that it came with these pouches that you can actually, it has a little Velcro strap on there. So you can seal the official weights in there so it's not hanging out like that. But you know, you improvise in the meantime. So it was still a little bit too light for the angle and things and height and all that I had for this. So what I did was, okay, you see right here, it's got the little hook. So I have these hangers and I just hooked them on, linked them to each other. So there's the second one, and I have 1 more down there. So that just really stabilized it, because the last thing you want is this big old boom light to fall on your head as you are filming. So yeah, newbie YouTuber tip. I'm using a fabric backdrop, and I have a backdrop stand. I did get all of my items from Amazon, so I'll be sure to link all the links in the description box below if you're interested in any of those. And I have this little table here that I just kind of set up all of my items, props, whatever, makeup. So I sit in the chair right here, and then I use my computer as my viewfinder. So you're able to use the Canon EOS something or the other. I'll link it there. And so basically you can do the live shooting, and so instead of trying to look at the little flip out screen on the camera, which can cause you to kind of make sure it look like you're not looking into the actual lens, you can look into the laptop as your viewfinder. So yeah, this is my filming space. This is what I do whenever you see me on the go, the talking head at you. So I just sit in my chair. I got my backdrop, this fabric right here, and it's just all in the middle of the room. So whenever I'm done, I will push the lights back against the wall. I'll push the light up here. You can see that. I'll push that light back over in the corner, and then I'll push the table back in front of the lights and the backdrop and the stand also. So everything, once it's all said and done, goes right over into this corner, up against the wall. And yeah, that is my setup. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful for you. I was really confused about how to make it all work, but this definitely works for now until I get a dedicated space for just YouTube. But you can always multi-purpose a room, and you know, we are using our guest room as my studio, and it works. Find the way to make it work, get the tools that you need, and slowly build up. You don't need everything all at once. I've built up over time. There are a couple of things I'd still like to get. I'd like to get the Nifty 50 lens, which is the zoom lens that gives you the bokeh or blurred background, so when I do any makeup tutorials, you can really get in there and see what's going on. But the kit lens is working just fine. It's really a great lens and you can do a lot with it. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you like videos like this, please be sure to let me know in the comments below. Where do you set up your YouTube? Do you have a dedicated space? Do you have a room that's used for multiple purposes? Or what works for you? I'd like to know, let me know. If you'd be interested in seeing an additional video that features all the accessories that I use for filming, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to share that with you. I don't know everything by any means, but I will share with you what I know, and we'll continue to share it as I learn more. So yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the tribe, and I will see you on the next journey on the go with Miko. Bye.
Aww.
What are you talking about, Christopher?
Pop, pop, wiggle, wiggle.
Pop, pop, wiggle, wiggle?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That makes total sense now. Thank you for sharing that.
You're welcome.
Oh, want to say hi to YouTube?
Yeah.
Wave. Say hi.
Hi. Pop.